Hello guys, how are you today? Now I will show you how you can add Google Analytics ID in Dostart Theme. So this is the theme which is created by me. Now I will add Google Analytics ID in Customizer option. So just click on Customize, then click on Global, then Basic Settings. In this input field you can add custom or you can add Google Analytics code here. Normally, if you are using free themes, then if you add Google Analytics code in header.php or if you add any script in footer.php, that is very harmful when a new version will release from the author. So if you upgrade the new version, then your old code will be removed again. So from that issue has been solved in my theme. So you can add dynamically Google Analytics ID and Google AdSense Publisher ID here. So let's see it. Just click on Google Analytics. Just you have to create a Google Analytics account and you have to log in the dashboard. Then click on admin. Here you can add the tracking info. Just click on tracking code. This is your Google Analytics tracking code. Just copy it, then paste it here, then publish. Now your site is completely added in Google Analytics. If you view the page source, you can see the code here. Here is the Google Analytics code which is added in header.php. So now you can see the page. Now you can see your activities in Google Analytics dashboard. So let's see it. Currently I can see that one user is active on free slash blog page. So this is the blog page. Now I am navigating to checkout page. Then you can see the top active page will be changed as soon as possible, which will be the checkout. Yes, here. So this is the simple things which I wanted to show you. So if you like my created theme, then you can use it without any hesitation. And I'm making a small video in YouTube. If you think my video is useful for you, then please subscribe my YouTube channel to support me. So thank you very much.